I know it's hard to believe, but most cars today can easily last 250,000 miles or more. But only if you treat them right. Skip the basics and small problems turn into big repairs and big bills. Today I'll show you 5 simple habits that can add years and tens of thousands of miles to your car's life. You don't need to have any mechanical skills to make this work. My family's actually owned 3 cars that have gone over 250,000 miles, if you can believe it. So tip 1, follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. It's the most important rule. Look, the big car companies hire a bunch of engineers and spend millions of dollars validating their cars. When they do, they use the maintenance schedules in the manual to make sure the cars are maintained properly. And if you follow the maintenance schedule, you're going to get the best results. Forget all the hearsay stuff. Read the owner's manual. Your owner's manual tells you when to change oil, when to service the transmission, when to replace the belts, coolant, spark plugs, and other items that might wear out. These aren't suggestions. They're designed to prevent failure in your car. Preventative maintenance is always cheaper than repairs on anything and any piece of equipment that you might have, including your car. And again, with cars costing $50,000, $100,000, take care of them, right? Hey, by the way, let me know in the comments how many miles are on your car and how long you think it will last. I'm kind of curious. So the engine is obviously the primary thing you should take care of, but transmissions are just important. Tip 2, take care of your transmission. Transmissions are one of the most complicated and expensive repair items on your vehicle. Many failures in a transmission happen because the transmission fluid is never changed, or it's low, or it gets burnt. So what's the maintenance schedule for the transmission fluid? Have it changed in your car. It's in your owner's manual. You want to follow the manufacturer's service manual for service interval on transmissions. Don't follow Old Miss. Don't listen to what your uncle says. Use the owner's manual. By the way, smooth driving also helps transmissions last longer. If you're always accelerating fast, hitting the brakes, shifting, manual gears in your transmission, it's going to wear out. You're going to wear things sooner than if you, I'll just say, drive it like a grandma. Probably the balance is in the middle there, right? Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. All right, tip 3. Hey, drive like you want your car to last. Cold starts are hard on engines, right? Meaning if you get in a car that hasn't been run. I live in Michigan. Geez, last week it was, 0 degrees. Start your car, let it warm up, let it run a little bit. Give it a minute before you drive it hard. Don't drive it hard. So again, things to avoid, right? Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, high RPMs when the engine is cold. All these things are harder on a vehicle. Let it warm up slowly. Okay, then you can drive it, right, a little more aggressively if you so choose. But you should know that gentle driving, it reduces wear on your engines, your transmission, your brakes, and your suspensions. Kind of an all-encompassing suggestion. Treat your car nice, it'll treat you nice, right? All right, tip number 4. Hey, fix small problems before they become big ones. True for about anything in life. Warning lights are there for a reason. Strange noises usually get worse, not better. A small leak today can become a major failure tomorrow. Addressing problems early saves money, prevents breakdowns, and extends vehicle life. So making a car last 250,000 miles isn't about luck, it's about consistency. Follow the maintenance schedule, drive it sensibly, and don't ignore small issues. Hey, and watch this video to see how I got 4 free cars, some with a lot of miles on them. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I picked this video for you to watch next, and YouTube picked this one. Thanks for watching.